Yes, boys. All right. Been a while since I've done a video. Um, I've been trading, but to be honest, I haven't been trading great. So we'll go into it. Market conditions have been crazy, right? We've been having huge just sell-offs. Like this day, huge sell-off. Yesterday didn't do much, but huge sell-off, huge buy. Fucking not yesterday, sorry, Tuesday. Yesterday, huge sell-off, huge buy. Then huge sell-off overnight, and then today just fucking booming 9:30 open, just boom, 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 right? Now, I'm on a past 50k account, as you can see. I made 600 on the day. I'm not happy with how I traded today. I should have made way more. I'll go into that. But I'm at obviously 52 and a half. I've got 4 winning days. Yeah, I've got 4 winning days, so one more day and I can get a payout. I don't really care how big my payout is. If it's like fucking 500 quid, I'll take it. Obviously I haven't had one for a bit, so. But yeah, I should be up more. This is my calendar. I made 1.1, 1.1, 500, lost 500, lost 500, and today 600. So it's not bad. If you just look at that calendar, it don't look bad, but the thing is, sorry I'm eating, but the thing is, yeah, I'm just not happy with how I traded. These 3 days have all been London session, right? Now don't ask me why, but I just started trading London session. Well, today I traded AM as well. Today I won in London, lost in AM, or I should have won in AM as well, which is annoying. And then these 2 days I just lost in London and come off because 500 is my max loss, right? I like to lose about 300, but 500 is like I'm done, because any more than that, that's the thing. Like I lose 500, yeah, it's not nice, but it's not that bad. If I then take another trade, say with 250 risk, even, right, which ain't even a lot, like I'm usually risking about 300 on a full size risk, and that loses, I'm then down like fucking 700, 750. So then it's like shit, like that's quite a lot of money. Do you know what I mean? Where 500 seems like it's not too bad. So anyway, so today the winning trade I took was just this London session long, towards Asia high, right? I actually got trailed out early. Now what I mean by that is you can see as we go up to Asia high, well that's not Asia high, so that would be Y. As we go up to Asia high, here we edged it and ES took it, so I literally just trailed my stop to like this low, I think, or maybe even this low, I can't remember, one of these lows, and I think it was this low. I trailed it to this low, and then it stopped me out, and then we hit it, but I think I made like $1,000, whereas like 1,200, so it is what it is. I just didn't like the ES took it, so I just trailed, but basically a full TP there, which was nice. 6i, I only risked like, I can't even remember what I risked, or 7i, I think I risked like $150, maybe 170, so it was good risk to reward, made about 1,000. As you can see, we're absolutely just ripping, leaving low resistance. 9:30, right, this is what pissed me off. So we open up, we manipulate into a 15-minute gap, which is here, right, 15-minute gap, obviously, and below this low. Obviously, you know, like taking longs is risky. Obviously, it's not because of how bullish we are, but it is because of how high up we are and how low resistance all this liquidity is. You feel like if we're going to go through it, we're just going to knife through it. But anyway, I liked this IFEG long. I took it, right? I went break even early. I think the reason I didn't trade well in AM is because I'd already was up profit. I was up like $1,000. I didn't really want to lose it, but I also wanted to trade because, you know, I feel like AM is my main session, so I may as well give it a try, right? So I took this, went break even here, got a stop break even. I then like re-entered with like a stop. I think I re-entered like here, and I had my stop like here, which is just poo because I didn't want to risk a lot. And then I get chopped up, stopped out, and then it fucking flies. But if I wasn't a bitch, and actually, because that's the thing, my model obviously is to go break even after the rebalance, which would be rebalance, and then when we take this high, so here, break even would have been absolutely fine. But obviously, we're just moving a bit scared. But anyway, yeah, obviously, then I would have held to this high here, and it would have hit nicely. I would have been up like 3k on the day, but what can you do, right? It is what it is. There'll be another winning day. happened. Mate, this fucking guy from Rwanda keeps calling me. Fuck off. I'm actually going to block him. I signed up to this broker to open a live account. He's just called me like 5 times. I'm going to fucking chin him. Left me a voicemail as well the other time. Anyway. So yeah, caught that. Lost because I just got a bit just chopped up. And I just was trailing my stop so aggressive. Whereas I just let it breathe. Because it was choppy price action. As you can see, it was not the best, right? Now, until we pump, like, what the fuck is this? This is bollocks, right? But it is what it is. So I lost that. Up, like, pretty much 650 on the day. Like I say, I'm in a good position. Like, I'm 1 winning day away from a payout. So say I even do just get the minimum winning day, 150. I'll be at 52.6. That's a $1,300 payout. And then obviously 90% of that is like 130 minus, it'd be like $1,150, which is probably like, I don't know, 850 quid, which is alright. But then obviously I still have the rest of it to play with. It's not like the account's gone. But if I can catch a nice winning day tomorrow, I'll get a decent payout. But I'm not really too fussed about the payout. Like, I'll take it when I can. But like, yeah, it just is what it is. I'm just trading. But yeah, I've been trading not the best, but obviously I've been winning. I found these market conditions fairly easy, and I think that's why I'm annoyed, because I feel like I should be capitalizing more in these good conditions. I didn't trade this day AM because I traded London. So I lost. This is the day I lost, but this was a really good short here. Inverse, rebalance, trade lower. Alright. And also the other day I traded London. There was a good fucking setup in AM, for fuck's sake, which was Tuesday. Which is here, bro. Like, this don't look too good, but on the 30-second it's really nice, mate. We've got, like, obviously this high is swept. I mean, that's kind of, maybe that's not actually the best short ever, but no, it's not the best short because there's equal highs, so maybe I wouldn't have took that. But either way, yeah, so that's basically what's been going on. So I'm close to a second payout, which is nice. But yeah, it just is what it is. Got my loss limit daily set to 400, so that's the most I can lose. Hopefully can catch a win tomorrow and just get the payout. Obviously tomorrow's Friday, but if I lose, I lose. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm posting this video now, so it's known I'm in this position. If I obviously blow through $2,300 and don't get a payout, then I'll obviously have some sort of problem, because it should be pretty easy. Like, you know what I mean? I'm pretty much there. It's just one winning day. Yeah. Okay. So thanks for watching. Hope I wasn't too boring.